Welcome to our guide on creating an online tutoring website where education meets opportunity. With 72% of students preferring online tutoring, the digital education space is rapidly evolving. This growth presents endless possibilities for entrepreneurs and educators alike. Whether you're transitioning from offline tutoring or starting from scratch, an online platform can help you reach a global audience and diversify your revenue streams. In this video, we highlight the key benefits of launching an online tutoring website and draw inspiration from successful platforms like Preply, Tutor.com, and GoStudent. These pioneers offer unique features, from tailored language programs to flexible live tutoring sessions, that empower you to innovate in this booming market. We'll also break down how a tutoring marketplace works. Users register, tutors create detailed profiles, learners book sessions seamlessly, and transactions occur effortlessly. This efficient process not only meets student needs, but also forms a solid business foundation. Our step-by-step guide covers essential strategies, from conducting thorough industry research. Finally, meet YoCoach, the ideal solution for launching your tutoring website. With this fully customizable, ready-made software, you can bypass extensive technical challenges. Step into the future of education with proven strategies, industry insights, and the power of YoCoach. Your journey to a successful online tutoring business starts here. Kickstart your tutoring platform with YoCoach. Connect with our experts for more details.